Quand nous sommes à la taverne et que le vent coule à flot, sachez pour votre gouverne qu'il n'y en a jamais trop. Il n'y a jamais trop de vin, il n'y a jamais trop de bière, il n'y a jamais trop de bonnes choses que Dieu a mis dans nos verres. À la taverne, les gens nous regardent loin. Ils disent que nous sommes des pochards, des paumés, des moins que rien. Moi je me méfie des gens savoir de ceux qui disent monsieur pas. Très bien connu que les tyrans et les bigots sont abstinents. Que je sache, Jésus ne buvait pas de l'eau claire ni du coca. C'est du bon vin qu'on a servi durant les noces de Cana. Et quand l'heure est arrivée d'affronter un affreux trépas, c'est bien le vin qu'il avait dit durant son dernier repas. Prima pro numata vini, exact bibunt libertini, semel bibunt pro captivis, post et bibunt ad pro vivis, quater pro Christianis cultis, qui est pro fidelibus defunctis, exies pro sororibus vanis, septies pro mirticus Silvanis, octies pro fratius perversis, nonies pro nacis dispersis, decies pro navigantibus, undecies pro discordantibus, duodecies pro penitentibus, tredecies pro itera un coup à la mémoire de ce disparu dans le noir. Buvons les brunes, buvons les blancs, du vin rouge ou bien du blanc. On boira tout ce qu'on trouvera tant qu'il y a de l'alcool dedans. Les ivrognes sont pas racistes, sur ce point vraiment j'insiste. Peu importe la couleur, tant que le breuvage a de la saveur. Buvons un bon aligoté, ou un saké, vodka, whisky, curaçao, du calvin ou de l'ouzo, du champagne ou une trappiste, pour encore un tour de piste, single malt ou AOC, il est temps de s'enivrer, Gewürztraminer ou quelque chose qui casse la baraque. chanter sans remords, bien plus qu'il n'est de raison. Le pouvoir de la bouteille est plus fort que celui du canon.
I'll be right behind you, Josephine. I won't leave you waiting in between. And the cigarette you bummed from me is almost burning out. You suck it till your fingers burn and then you throw it on the ground. I'll be right behind you, Josephine. Even after everything we've seen, in this sterile room with blinding lights and faces pointing down, I only wanna scream, but still I just can't make a sound. Now hold my hand, hold my breath. There's nothing in this world we really own. And Jesus Christ, if you tore my heart out, the only thing I'd feel is less alone, less alone. I'll be right behind you, Josephine. I won't leave you waiting in this dream, while you watch the people speaking words you can't quite comprehend. You asked me if I'd pinch you, but my fingers wouldn't bend. I'll be right behind you, Josephine, just like I was when we were 17. I guess it's only been a year, but still it feels like 34. I don't feel like I am living in the same skin anymore. Now hold my hand, hold my breath. There's nothing in this world we really own. And Jesus Christ, if you tore my heart out, the only thing I'd feel is less alone, less alone. Josephine, even when my soul's an amputee, and my bleeding heart is sinking in the lake inside my chest. So I grab what I can cling to and I leave behind the rest. Now hold my hand, I'll hold my breath. There's nothing in this world we really own. Jesus Christ, if you tore my heart out, the only thing I'd feel was less alone. Now hold my hand and take my breath, and leave behind the things you'll never own. And Jesus Christ, please tear my heart out. Less alone, less alone.
Yeah, we've been making the choice, going outside after dark. Life is so fun like a park. See me a hunt like a shark. Yeah, we compete and we winning. TV on quality distant. That doesn't matter, we riffing song after song. We so scary, we care. I wanna take a bow, I don't wanna take a holiday. Know that they won't tell you, there's a lot of things that I would say. Woke up in the studio, I'm feeling kinda greedy, and I'm gonna make a million and make it look so easy. Never really leaving the zone. Thinking of taking the throne. Tell me to stop, I can't hear. Always be calling the phone. Got me stacking on my money so high. Need a rubber band. Think she going home with you. I'm sorry, she got other plans.
This shit is evil. It's how you get to fame. I got an ego, and I got you to blame. Faking nothing. You're looking all around. Give me something. Girl, I'm new to town.
Girl, I'm new to this place. Yeah, I'm increasing the pace. Ayy, not like the other boys, you know it's true. I wouldn't have said that I came here for school. Now we be teaching the classes. Ayy, you are so slow like molasses. Ayy, you need that use a certificate. Not me, not even a that. Looking for you, where'd you go? It's okay, I know I feel like any, meeny, mighty, mo. I catch a Patrick by your toe. Call me beaver, call me fag. Look what I got in my bag. Get your project girlfriend's number and I got an ammo mag. Flying away, hey, never gonna stay, hey. Little hypocritical, calling me gay, hey. Learning what to do, now we got people listening. Secrets in the booth, and you wish you could listen in.
This shit is evil. It's how you get to fame. I got an ego, and I got you to blame. Faking nothing. You're looking all around. Give me something. Girl, I'm new to town. Take a look around. Girl, I'm new to town. Let me take a look around. Girl, I'm new to town. Let me take a look around. Girl, I'm new to town. Let me take a look around.
Dead. Don't step to me, newbie. I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat. Part-time, that is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic. You. El professor is in the house, let me teach you. I could defeat you with two hands tied and have you waking in the hospital like, who am I? And who are you? Who are they? What is this? You wouldn't believe how someone react to this shit. The mind slips, and speaking in tongues. Fly ink, GVA, that's how we get it done. 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 Sly Ing, GVA, that's how we get it done.